The pros and cons of debt settlement versus credit repair. When you're dealing with financial stress, the terms debt settlement and credit repair might pop up frequently. While they both aim to help people struggling with debt and damaged credit, they're quite different approaches, and understanding their pros and cons can help you make the best choice. Debt settlement is about negotiating with creditors to reduce the total amount you owe. Often, creditors are willing to accept less than the full amount because they'd rather get some payment than none at all, especially if they fear bankruptcy might prevent them from collecting anything. With debt settlement, it's possible to settle your debts for significantly less, sometimes 40 to 60% lower than your original balance, and occasionally even less, particularly for older debts. This can bring immediate financial relief, helping you quickly reduce your outstanding debts and giving you some breathing room. But there's a downside. Debt settlement can negatively impact your credit in the short term. When you settle a debt, creditors typically report it as settled for less than owed, which can lower your credit score. Additionally, some creditors may not be willing to negotiate, and it could take several months or even years to resolve all your debts this way. Debt settlement also doesn't guarantee removal of negative information from your credit report. It simply resolves your outstanding balances at a lower cost. On the other hand, credit repair is focused on improving your credit report by disputing inaccurate, unverifiable, or outdated information. Credit repair works by leveraging consumer protections under laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, requiring credit bureaus and creditors to remove incorrect information. The goal here isn't necessarily to reduce your debts directly, but rather to ensure your credit report is accurate, fair, and legally compliant. In many cases, successfully disputing incorrect negative information can significantly improve your credit score, opening up better financial opportunities such as loans, mortgages, and favorable interest rates. Credit repair doesn't directly reduce the amount you owe creditors, though. If your debt is accurate and valid, credit repair alone might not be enough. However, it can dramatically boost your financial health by removing unfair or incorrect negative marks. This can be especially beneficial if you suspect inaccuracies or mistakes on your credit report that are hurting your credit score unnecessarily. Which approach is best for you? It depends on your specific situation. If your main concern is reducing your debt quickly because you're overwhelmed by bills, debt settlement might be a practical short-term solution. But if your goal is improving your credit score and ensuring your credit report accurately reflects your financial behavior, credit repair is often the better long-term strategy. You don't have to navigate this alone. CreditFixGuy.com provides affordable credit repair services to help remove inaccurate information from your credit reports, significantly improving your credit standing. You can see real results at CreditFixGuy.com/results. Additionally, CreditFixGuy.com offers comprehensive credit monitoring, making it easy to track your progress. Just visit CreditFixGuy.com and click Order Reports to get started. In short, debt settlement provides quick relief by reducing the total amount you owe, but at the potential cost of credit damage. Credit repair, meanwhile, boosts your creditworthiness by correcting errors and inaccuracies on your report. Understanding these differences is key to taking control of your financial future.